Hello, welcome to our wonderful event that we're doing here at Chris's Coffee. This is Mark, and with me today are three very brave souls, including a soul who could fire me, depending on how this goes. So what we're gonna do, one of the questions we get asked here a lot at Chris Coffee is about TikTok drinks. We'll get customers call us up all the time. What do you think about this drink? What do you think about that drink? We don't try them. We have no idea, right? Unless you go to like Starbucks and ask for something like that, and then if you do that, you're not gonna get a great drink like you do here at Chris's Coffee. So we came up with an idea. Let's make our own TikTok drinks. Let's take those popular TikTok drinks and let's make them, let's sample them, and let's rate them. So, the brave souls I have with me. Cosmo, our technician extraordinaire.
Magic master.
I agree. Jen, accounting specialist and the creator of this video, which will be a series because Jen is brilliant. And then Kenzie, the CEO of Chris Coffee, the head honcho. Yeah? How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
You feeling good? All right, so the three drinks we're doing, we're gonna go drink by drink and we're gonna get the full reaction. Starting with brown sugar shaken espresso, a banana cream latte, and a snickerdoodle iced latte. Are we ready?
Ready.
Yeah. Let's do it.
That's not bad. It's not bad. Sweet, but I'll give it 6 Chris's.
Okay. I mean, it is drinkable. I think I'll go with 6.5 Chris's.
Okay. I'm a harsh critic.
It's all right. I have it all over my mustache, but it's a little thick, but it is good. 8 Chris's.
Oh.
All right. Why? Why is that a thing? I don't think we're supposed to drink bananas. The flavor is okay. Odor and texture, not my thing. I'm gonna go with 3 Chris's.
Okay, I eat a banana every single day, so let's see if I like to drink them. Interesting. Okay, got a little something different that time. 6.
That's all right. That's, I think, the weakest out of all of them, and I'm gonna give it 3.5.
Okay. Well, that's a fun odor. Okay. Oh, okay. I think something died in that cup. I'm gonna go with 0 Chris's.
Cheers. Okay. You're fired.
With good cause. Well, that was an experiment. We tried. What do you think, everybody? What is the consensus best out of the three? Obviously, you can follow by Chris ratings, but what do we think is the best of these three? I don't think the vibe I got is none of them, but go ahead. What do you think?
The banana one.
I think banana.
Yeah.
Jen, you weren't a big banana fan. Would you say out of the...
I was not a big banana fan. I think the texture kind of got to me. I might go with this one slightly ahead of this one, and this one can just.
Yeah, my stomach hurts.
reluctantly rank that one the best. Huh?
Yeah, I'm not a fan of envelope glue.
Well, when you're watching from home, help us. Give us some suggestions. Comment on this video. Tell us what TikTok drinks we should be trying, or if you got a recipe, go ahead and leave it below. If you're one of our customers, how about this? Let us know what's your best drink. Tell us. We'll make this drink. We'll do it on the air on the next episode.
It better be good.
It better be good. So everyone, from the family here at Chris's Coffee, we'll see you again next time.